abatulaba balungi erinnya kwagala Melka ne munnange
Ampia Abel.
Atuti waneeno okubalaga ekinyusi n'ekirungi ekiri mu kusika.
Visiting the bush.
Okukyalira ensiko.
Yeah,
ekyo kyennyini. Banange bawala bannange omukwano gwange yali agaanye okukyalira ensiko olwo bwe mulaba nesokombuulire lwaki wamala n'okkiriza?
Nakkiriza kozi nalaba nga kiina omugaso nga nina kikola ate it has repercussion. You know, the main reason Rachi girls pull we visit the bush sinti, you know, most people abantu abasinga bakimanyi nti bakiyamba kusanyusa men or something like that, but that's not the main reason. The main reason is whenever a woman is pregnant and she doesn't have those clitoris, is it? It's so hard for her sometimes to push the baby. Sometimes if let's say bwaba like ingataina amfuli, then she will be, after producing, she will be like a basin chibaf, you get ngakale mugazi nga nebolingizayo olabayo. But when you have those things, whenever you produce, it comes close and close, like nebyegatta nebikola ki
nzijukira Ampia byonna nabikugambanga ng'owalira lwali lumu Ampia nga mpita Milka ne waddeyo, please come and show me how do they do it. Nenzija pipira
ebyaddala like kale ebyo binayisi byagala cause I think jenva tebabikola ki, but they are not into it so much, but bigasa most of the time it's all about like boba ne mukwano go, and sometimes you can't help like ngatosa kweyamba wekka ngoina mukwano ge bise bisinga oti kikalubiza nnyo mugambo okuyamba and most of the times you have to tell someone you trust most okubanga akuyamba kokola ki
twa nje namukola munnanga alaba nafuna nkoba manyi enkoba
naye remember agamagezi nze yagakuwa.
Seriously?
Seriously?
You didn't have any idea, Ampia. Nafuna enkuba. Nasoka nefuna zino enkuba nga mpavu webuti kati nembusibako. Nembusibako bubiri.
That wasn't the first time. It was wanga mbuba nsoke akatengo that katengo. I don't know. Akatenga ako nako ka mugaso. You know, before nko save the so called I first used the bitengo stuff.
By the way, bwaba ngoyagala okukola ekintu ekyanguwa kwata enkuba olukoba nga bwolaba olulamba sala kinda pieces nga buli bwe buti ngolaba omala obusalemu obutuli nga buli weepimya nti kasobola okujjamu enfuliyo then mala ng'opanga kakasoose eyo kateekeko ku nfuli okwate n'akala simanyi wachengira mu kitegeera
but for the starters
you just use osoka no osinza n'okozesa ekitengo nosoka n'obusika ne buwanvu bwako n'ofuna entandikwa.
But what I know but starter most of the times you first start with your hand because ekitengo kubanga like bwobanga bukyali munda ekitengo it's so hard to use it. Kitengo kyetaaga nga already bufulumyeko akatono. You first use most of the times girls obanga oli ku buliri you get to touch on the wall no pima this like this then away your akasinziro no kwatako then after you pull smoothly
kati
not even soil like okwatako just kutaka we batim then ababera mu
kyalo they have a lot of things to use. There is this so called nanfulibidi okakwata nokakola pia era nekeyawulamu obiri. You can use that. There is this so called kaboga bakyala nako oyinza okukakozesa
that the grass rabbits oba kafumbe mukasa, the one which has a yellow flower, that one. It's also helping, but ako kaanguya kabyanguya.
By the way, nekyali kyemuba temwerabira. Don't pull nga webase kyabugazi bwebati obukwateko no buba bujja kukyama bugende bata bujja kukola purposely you sit upright, you do your things so that
you look at them no tunulira the way they move, you feel it
mongeri so that they cover this outer space because ngojeka ekyokuzaala buyamba n'okuma ebugumu inside so that bwobubeerako nga gwebikako mami wange yatitako kuŋŋamba nti oluggi olutaliko kateni manya omulyango obutaliko kateni oguliko kateni gwe guliwo ogukwanguye ogukunyiriro so kateni zirina okubaako nga zeewuuba so wherever nga zeggala kitegeera naye for those who are not this abatakatandika kale nga mwabusika oba ne bukono oba ne bukola buki
ate most of the times abaana abato like you should start like from an early age because bwotuuka mubukuli kigayaza bwobanga oli mwana muto myaka 8 tandika if you're 8 parents, some parents, if you have siblings mwenna abatuuliza siblings others have young sisters, you tell consult them, start when you're still young because bwebutuuka when you get to your periods nogezako if you've never done it and you try to do it, it's really hard. It's really hard. It is hard. So you should start when you're at a low age so that otukokulanga buli easier. You know, most of the times when we go to our periods as we ladies, we tugenda mu periods we live like that. They decrease bukendera. So that's how, so when you're still young and you try to pull them what ogendo tuka myaka emikulu ngogenze mu pizi zongola byensongeze z'abakyala, you do what kibera easy okubanga you modify them every month. So ngomaze okubusika koze bade mbaletera like idea. This method it is one of the hardest. Like it is paining, but it is simple. Which one?
Enkoba.
That one, my friend. That.
What enkoba mukwano gwala?
Yeah. Enkoba. Anai.
If you get some paper there.
Paper. Paper. Let me see.
I wanna.
There are two ways of the
wait.
Because kaliaka buno bwokubera ngo simamwe bituli kaluma nnyo it's the
kaluma naye kayamba kati mukwano nduno lwe lukoba lwo okaddira oba notandika okusalamu bu pieces you cut like you small then you kati kano bwobuka funye ukakola mu spare form noddira wanino noteka wakatuli ukaba
wano one
with your sharp things
this what
nokatekamu obutuli bwe butyo nopima enfulizo nga wezina okukola kyokugenda ekitegeera bwomala nokwata enfulizo
notekamu boba wakatandika biba tebiruma
baby kino kyogerako ino kwa die hard
this is the easiest method but
notandika okupangako nopanga notekako akalala nopanga paka wezijjula my friend you will not walk
okimanyi
nkukakasa
I think it's mostly done at night when achikola chirongo ogenda okwebaka so it's easy cause moving my friend during day noyambala nika
First time ya Alfia ketekamu akaso kanako binako kusatu. She came running like Milka, help me, I can no longer handle this. My first time was not really simple, but that thing is really good.
It is, it's fast.
It is good because ogendo bujja konga obuntu buwanvuye obuntu bukuze so mainly bwobukolanga emirundi gyo ne wejiba ebiri kwesatu but like I assure you ojja kuba
you know that method is mostly used by the Basoga women.
Yeah, the Basoga women
they use that and even there is this one when you have ngolukoba luwamvuko and it's like this, it's kind of long having that, you know, like 2 inches from here. Then you hold this small part you get to tie it on the cup of the
sorry,
what?
Afia. But that
Cup.
thing, chinyumanga muli babiri.
Yeah, babiri.
Omu nasibako n'omulala nasibako. And then omulala omu n'atula wano n'omulala n'atula wano. Omu n'akwata obwono n'omulala n'akwata obwono. Nemutandika zika.
Nemwesika.
Ono buli wakulumya nawe ng'owulira kikuluma ng'osika.
But also it is slippery. Kibera slippery because there is those liquid that women so it gets so slippery and greasy. So whenever you pull with force, it's kind of cover. So you must tie it there. Or you know, kasiba no kanyweza. It is hard. It's hard. Kasala.
Bukola wadde buluma.
Naye abakatandika
sikulimba nakozesa ku nfulibidi. Nanfulibidi kabo kabakyala. Kitengo whatever. But the things were not coming. Even I used my natural hands.
Abakatandika azim. Omuntu nga yakatandika tabimanyi nnyo tebunafuluma.
Dear friend, use your own hands, like
but most of the times if you're starting what techetaganga your one because my friend chiba obogenda kugayala, so you need to get someone, or it's your singer, your mom or your friend, or
but it's better with your friend. It's better with your friend
or your singer and the mom.
Comfortable. I cannot do it with mom.
No. Abantu abamu abesiga moms and singers more than friends. If it is that, one might do that. Ononya senga oba mama nomugamba kati njagala tandika. When in Uganda they do what? They do bakuza abaana nga bakola ki?
Wabeerawo era ekintu like
bakuza abaana nga bakibayigiriza.
Nze advice gyenyinza okuwa muwala alaba. Obanga olowooza bino ebintu byakugayaaliriramu. Dear friend, balance the boat. Kankubuulire sika tewali obanga mente like
it's for your own good. The twins are gamba nti tewali nothing, because what I know when abatuuliza they are young, tender, bakyali bato, so mwabakulukulu mubitegeera, and if it is ngoli muto, just know it helps you in future when you're delivering a baby or when you're in your motherhood.
Like oyinza obutakiwulira ku very mommy, oyinza obutakiwulira ku very auntie. But this time around,
at my home, my mom.
It's better you do it. It's better you do it. Nange nyinza okuba nga sinakiwulirako ku very mama. Naye akagerwa kanesiga. Like
she knows you're sharp.
Yeah,
she will look for all the ways.
Yeah, I looked for all ways, and yes.
Yep. So anyway, thank you for your time. Thank you for everything. The viewers, blah blah blah. Thank you.
But the thing, Bambi, please don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe. We really need your subscription, Yeah, my TV, Yugi. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Wabafuliddeyo obubaka bonna nga kwongerako. Toweesigaliza. Sharingireko mukwano gwe ne mukwano gwa sharingireko mukwano gwe. Tambuza obulamu nga ffe abawala. Twerwaneko. Tufube okulaba nga twejjayo. Bye bye.
Good. Big up.